Hey guys, so today in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get an eFootball mod. So this is 2025 approved and it works on iOS and Android. So let me just show you guys right here in the mod menu. As you can see, unlimited coins and points. So I'm going to go ahead and turn this on just to show you guys that it actually works. I'm also going to turn on the unlimited points and let's see if it goes up. You can see right here 800 and around 6,000, which is ass, of course. We're not trying to be like that. So let's see if we can increase this at all. And bang, guys, as you can see, it's increasing. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this onto your device. It works for iOS and Android. So let's get straight into the video and I'm going to show you exactly to do it. So what we need to do is go to the browser and then just go to the website tweakmod.com. So let me just type this in. So on this site, guys, go to the search bar and you literally just want to type in eFootball, press install, and the game has begun downloading. So before this downloads, there is going to be a verification you have to do. This is the last step. Basically, you got to download 2 apps, follow the instructions 100% for free from official App Store. And what this will do is install the mod into your device. So it's pretty simple. So I'm just going to wait for this to go ahead and load here, as you can see. So yeah, it's super awesome. So we're just going to let it download, as you can see. So yeah, it should be pretty easy. So you can be like a normal person. You don't have to be like a wizard in the coding world or anything like that. So as you can see, guys, now it says missing files. So you just want to download some of these. So like Evertail says down and run for 30 seconds. They're all from the real App Store. So just make sure you get 2 of them. You can see like Family Island says reach level 11. So yeah, as long as you download 2 of the apps, you're going to be all set. You can see Geek Empire down install reach level 5. TikTok down run for 30 seconds. There's a video if you're lost, but it's pretty simple. So yeah, tweakmod.com, guys. Be sure to go ahead and try us out. I'm going to see you all later, and peace out.